Welcome back to One Good Thing at Home, my home. This week I want to share not just my love of commercial kitchen towels in the kitchen, which save paper, are much more stylish, but they get so gross. And you may want to throw them out, but you don't. No, you can't. Don't throw them out. I figured out a solution and a habit that'll solve your problem and turn them bright white again. So, what's the solution? You might say, hey, you just pop that in some bleach. But no, hands, this is not the thing you want to do. You know why? You can put your cotton in it and soak, and your cotton can just disappear. I have destroyed clothes by not using bleach well. So, I use OxyClean, which is awesome. It breaks down into hydrogen peroxide, and it gets things really, really white. It's super biodegradable, which is lovely. So, I take one scoop, and I put it in one of these great jars that I get from IKEA. If you have an apartment, you might want to get a smaller one. Whatever, you can use anything you like, but I like this big one. And I put in one big scoop, and then I fill it with hot water from the kitchen sink. But this jar is going to live in my kitchen all week. It's like a little wastebasket for things that I want to turn bright white. So, hands, would you like to put this in? Yeah, you don't want to touch it, do you? Here you go, here you go. So, put that in there. And then you let it sit here all week. Top it up with hot water as it gets fuller. And at the end of the week, give it a wash, and you're all done. So check this out. This is the gross pile from this morning. Look how bright and clean it is every week. So, there you go. Hands, you want one? There you go. That's for you and your dirty hands. Ouch! That's it for me this week. If you've got tips for how to get things bright, white, clean, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next week. Now I want to... Ready? Can't get good talent these days.